Hi everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a fully multilingual WordPress website using WPML step by step. After installing and activating WPML for the first time, the setup wizard will open. Here, select your default language, the languages you want to add for translation, then click Continue. Choose the format for your site's URL. Now here enter your site key and click Continue. Next, enter the context and target audience information. Click Save and Finish. Now here choose who will manually translate your website content instead of using automatic AI translation according to your preferences. You have successfully finished setting up. Click Go to Translation Dashboard. Translation Dashboard will open. Now here you can access pages, navigation menus, templates to translate automatically. I want to translate the home page of my website, so I will select the home page. Now scroll down and decide which languages should be translated automatically. Click Translate Content. Translation will begin. Wait for a few minutes. You can check the translation progress anytime from the WordPress dashboard. Okay, so now our automatic translation has been completed. Now let's translate our same page into other language manually. Click on this plus icon. Here, copy the original content and translate it. Now paste the translated content. Do the same for the rest of the text. After done, just click Save and Continue. Let's review our home page now. So this is the English language page, but there is no switcher to view the translated pages. No worries, with WPML we can add language switcher. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance then Menu. Here I am going to create a new menu for my site. You can also add this switcher in existing menu, but I want to create a new one for my site. Now menu is successfully created. Here this language switcher option is added by WPML plugin. It will only appear when WPML is activated. Choose the switcher position, menu item style, appearance of your language switcher, and customize other settings according to your preferences. After done, save changes. Now I am going to assign the newly created menu to website header. Here you can see language switcher has been successfully added. You can easily switch the languages using the switcher. As you can see, our page content is translated, but some text that are strings are still not translated. Let's translate them. From WPML section on your dashboard, click String Translation. Here you can easily search the string that you want to translate. Enter the string and click Search. Here choose the translation language. Translate the string and paste translated version here. Let's review our page now. Here you can see that our string has been translated successfully. Similarly, translate other strings also. That's it. You can easily translate your entire website using WPML plugin. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.